America.
Ow, 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 ow. That's right. Ah!
What did you do? Alright guys, welcome back to the Daily Grind. So today, almost off work, but we're gonna go do a fun little project. So a friend of mine just bought a car and he wants to modify it. So we're gonna go modify this car. So we're on a budget. So pretty much there is nothing spent doing this besides buying the car itself, which only costs about $500. So, and then we're gonna go to this car show this weekend and show it off. So stay tuned, this is gonna be so much fun.
Always come when I need you. You know I'll be there for you. Where are you now? Where are you now? Always try my best for you. You just know it is true. Where are we now?
This is our 1992 Toyota Corolla Truck. I think we have it as a truck now. Rockloff, is this a truck now?
It's a truck like
This is a truck Corolla wagon. We're not sure what else it is, but it's actually turning out pretty cool. So we got the hood scoop, custom, gold wheels, very custom. And the motto behind this is that money does not buy you happiness. I think that's what we're going with right here. So the next things we're adding into this lovely vehicle, we're gonna add maybe a spoiler. We're not sure yet, we haven't really thought about that. We're gonna add some nice tunes. We have our house speaker coming in. This is Peter, by the way. Peter, what's up? We got some nice house tunes right here. Don't mind the music, but and then what else are we gonna do to this thing? I'm not sure yet, but we got coolant in case we need it, all that fun stuff. It might be overheating a little bit. Oh, and that's another thing. So right here we have our external fan switch right here because it does have a overheating problem. So that's how we fixed it. We add another fan on a switch and we're good to go. And then our lovely custom steering wheel right here. Got the bed in there.
We'll put the 2x4s, brace it down, zip, zip, bam, bam.
This is what we do. This is high quality work right here. It's very high quality work. Alright. Let's see. So we're modifying the exhaust right now.
Well, let's see if we can.
By the way, this is John Customs right here. This is his ride. This is his proud investment.
No, give me a 12 millimeter. I'm gonna pop off the exhaust, just the muffler first to see how it sounds.
It's gonna be fun. So while they do the exhaust, we got some modification going on right here.
Fixing fans.
We're fixing fans, and we're gonna add some underglow as well too. High class.
The underglow is gonna come later.
Damn it.
For now, we need cooling so that we don't light on fire driving down Sunrise.
It's okay. Why not?
Ayo.
Ayo.
It's only illegal to be over like 100 something, whatever decibels whatever the rule is. What do you need? There's a muffler, it's just not there. Let me just unbolt.